Good morning, children. Welcome back to EVS class. Okay. See, in previous classes, we did lesson number. We completed lesson number 3. That is food we eat. So now we will do exercise part. See the page number 174. See, open your textbooks. All of you open your textbook. I hope you all have your textbooks. So open it. Page number 174. See, that is exercise part. Okay, children. See the first exercise. That is first main fill in the blanks. What they given? We'll see. Take out your pencil books. Pencil, textbooks, everything, and you write what they given in the dash. No, you should write the answers. See the first main fill in the blanks. That is first one. Food gives us. Food gives us dash. Food gives us what? Tell me. Food gives us energy. Which are all the food gives us energy? Yes, tell me. That is rice, chapati, butter, bread, rice, ragi, jowar, butter, bread, sugar. All these food gives us energy. Okay. Then come to the second one. We get milk product like milk product like curd, butter, ghee from dash. Where we get all this milk product? Yes. Tell anybody? Yes, we get these milk product from animals. Okay, these are all milk product where we get from animals. Cow gives us milk, isn't it, children? From milk, we are preparing all these things. See, butter, ghee, curd, all these made out of from milk. So all these product where we get all these food from animals. Okay. So while writing, you should say the spellings. Along writing, you should say loudly. See, ENERGY, energy. You should say loudly and write, children. Otherwise, you can't learn. Okay. So animals, ANIMALS, animals. So while writing, you should say and write. Then come to the third one. That is page number 175. See, we get our food from, dash and dash. Where we get our food from? Yes, the sources of food. Which are the sources of food? Where we get all this food from? From plants and animals. Every day we are eating all this food. Where we get? We get all this food from plants and animals. So the sources of food is plants and animals. Come to the fourth one. Dash is the first meal of the day. Dash is the first meal of the day. Meal of the day. How many meals per day we have? We have 3 big meals, isn't it, children? So that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. So which is the first meal of the day? That is breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Then come to the fifth one. We should drink dash glasses of water. We should drink dash glasses of water. At least minimum, how many glasses of water we should drink? I taught you already, isn't it, children? Yes, tell me, how many glasses of drink you should drink? Minimum 8 glasses of drink per day. You should drink at least 8 glasses of drink you should drink every day. Then next, we'll go to second main. Before going to second main, we recall it once. First main, okay? See, first main is fill in the blanks. That is, food gives us dash. Food gives us energy. ENERGY, energy. Then we get milk product like curd, butter, ghee. From dash. We get all milk product we get from animals. ANIMALS, animals. So we get our food from dash and dash. We get our food from plants and animals. PLANTS, plants. While writing, you should say loudly. Okay, PLANTS, plants. PLANTS, plants. Like that, you have to by heart the spellings. Okay. So, plants and animals. Come to the fourth one. Dash is the first meal of the day. So, that is breakfast. BREAK, break. FAST, fast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Then come to the fifth one. We should drink dash glasses of water. We should drink 8, EIGHT, 8 glasses of water. Then come to the second line, write true or false. Okay, that is true or false. So, see the first one. See the statement, which is that if statement is true, you should write T. True for T or F for false. If it is right, you should write F. Okay. See first one. Fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. Fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. Yes, tell me whether this statement is true or false. Yes, fruits and vegetables. It keeps us healthy, keeps our body healthy. Isn't no every day we should eat fruits and vegetables also. We should add for our meals. We should add vegetables also. Isn't no children? After the meals we should eat fruits. Okay, so it keeps us healthy. So this statement is true. You write here TRUE, true. Okay, then come to the second one. See, second one, lunch is the first meal of the day. Lunch is the first meal of the day. Whether this statement true or false? Tell me. It is true? No, it is false. Lunch is the second meal of the day. Is it not, children? Then which one is the first meal of the day? Yes. In previous first meal we learned. We written now. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Here, lunch is the first meal of the day. This statement is false. So, lunch is the second meal of the day. It is not first meal of the day. Okay? Then, come to the third one. We get food only from plants. We get food only from plants. Yes. Whether this statement is true or false? Yes, it is. It is also false statement. Why? We get not only from the animals, we get food not only from the plants, we get food from animals also. So, the sources of food are plants and animals. We get food only from plants. This statement is false because we get food from plants and animals. Okay? So, this is the false statement. Yes, come to the fourth one. We should wash our hand. We should wash our hand. We should wash our hands before and after eating. Before and after eating. Yes, tell me whether this statement is true or false. Yes, it is true. We should wash our hands before and after eating. Before you going to eat and after you finished your meals, you should wash your hands properly. See, this is the true statement. Then, the last one. We can eat food at any time. Food at any time of the day. See, listen carefully. We can eat food at any time of the day, whether it is true or false. Yes, it is false. Why? It is false statement. We can't eat the food when we want. Isn't it, children? There is a proper time is there to eat the food. So morning we are eating breakfast and afternoon lunch and at night dinner. So we should eat the food at proper time. We can't eat at any time. Isn't it, children? So this statement is false. We can eat food at any time of the day. This is the false statement. We can eat food at proper time. Isn't it, children? Yes. So before going to third main, we recall it once. See the second main, true or false. They given here the boxes. In these boxes, you should write whether this statement is true or false. See first one, fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. Fruit and vegetables keep us healthy. Yes, it is correct. It is a true. Then come to the second one. Lunch is the first meal of the day. So this is wrong. Which is the first meal of the day? Breakfast. Okay. Lunch is second meal of the day. So this statement is false. Then we get food only from plants. This statement also is false because we get food from both plants and animals. We get food from both plants and animals. Okay, then we should wash our hands before and after eating. Yes, it is correct. Before going to eat or finishing our meals, we should wash our hand. We can eat food at any time of the day. This statement is false. We can't eat the food at any time. So we can eat the food at a proper time. Okay. So then come to the third main. Come to the third main, that is okay, give two examples for each of the following. Give two examples. Give two examples. Okay, in that first one, food that give us energy. Food that give us energy. Food that gives us energy. Which are the food? You should write only two examples. So, which are these foods? That is, yes, which food gives us energy? That is rice, chapati, dal, butter, bread, sugar. These are all the food gives us energy, isn't it, children? We learned in previous class. So you should, they are asking only two examples. You should write only two. You should mention only two. That is rice, chapati, or sugar, bread, ragi, whatever, whichever you want, you can write, you should write only two examples, rice and chapati. Then come to the second one. Foods that help us to grow. Foods that help us to grow. Food that help us to grow. Which are these? Right here only. So which food help us to grow? Yes. Milk. Milk, egg, meat. Isn't it, children? Milk, egg, meat, fish, dal. These are all the food help us to grow. Okay. So you should write only two, milk and egg, or dal, sugar, or fish, meat. So whatever you want, you can write, but they are asking only two here. So you mention, you should write only two examples. Okay, then come to the third one. Food that keeps us healthy. Foods that keep us healthy. Which food keeps us healthy? Yes, you know, right here. That is fruits and vegetables. Fruits, vegetables. See, while writing, I am again and again telling while writing, you should say the spellings loudly. Okay? So, and you should by heart, make it habit. Okay, children, every day, take out your rough note. After finishing this class, take out your rough note and write these spellings 5 times, 10 times. How many times you want? Up to, So that time you have to write these spellings. Okay. So make it habit, children. Otherwise, it's very difficult. At a time, you can't learn all the lessons, question answers, and spellings. Okay. Make it habit to learn every day. Keep practicing, children, every day. So food that keep us healthy, that is fruits, vegetables. Okay. Then come to the fourth one. Foods we get from plants. Foods we get from plants. Which are the food we get from plants? Yes. Which are the food we get from plants? Tell me. Yes, that is we get from plants, fruits, isn't no children? Fruits, cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables. Isn't no children? So you can write only 2. Then come to the fifth one. So come to fifth one. That is food we get from animals. Food we get from animals. Which food we get from animals? Yes. We get milk, meat, egg, honeybee. Isn't it, children? Yes. We get meat, honeybee from where we get from honey? We get from honeybee. Okay, we get from honeybee, and milk from cow, meat from goat. Okay, so these are all the food we get from animals. You write only 2. Then come to the fourth main, answer the following. This main you need not to write in the textbook. Okay, and we given in PDF. That is, it scan and comes to your PDF. Isn't it, children? So you directly write in your classwork. Okay, then come to the next main. Match each food with its sources. Okay, they given here food and they given here sources. See the pictures properly. They in the center they given the food, and where it comes from they given these 2 sides. That is sources of food, where we get from. So you should match. Take the pencil. See first one in the middle. In the middle, this page, this. See, what is this? You say milk can. They given here milk. A glass of milk is there. So milk, where we get milk? Okay, we get milk from cow. The sources of milk is cow. We get milk from cow. Make it line. Cow, where it is? You can identify the picture now. So cow. So we get milk from cow. Okay. Then come to the, what is this, children? Yes, you are liking now? Yes, it is very sweet. Yes, that is mango. So mango, where we get mango? The sources of mango. Which are the sources of mango? That is mango tree. We get mango from mango tree. So make it line. Okay, you match it like this. Okay, then come to this. What is this? Yes, can you identify this? Yes, egg. So it is egg. Where we get egg? We get egg from hen. Isn't it, children? Yes, the sources of egg is hen. Means we get egg from hen. From the hen we get egg. So you match it. Okay, then come to the last one. What is this? Honey. So it's very taste, sweet, no? Yes. So honey, where we get honey? We get honey from honey bee. Okay. So you match it. Okay. We get honey from honey bee. So if you are not understand or you have some confusion, take your parents' help and match it. Okay, children. Then come to the sixth main. Name some food items you like in each group. This is the last main. That is sixth main. Name. That is sixth main. What they given here? Name some food items you like in each group. They given here 3 groups. So first one, foods that give energy. Okay. Then second group, foods that help. Food that help to grow. Then last, food that keep you healthy. Foods that keep healthy. Okay, you have to say, you have to write which food gives us energy and which food help us to grow and which food keep us healthy. See the first one, which food gives us energy? Yes, tell me which food gives us energy? That is, yes, rice, ragi, wheat, jowar. These are all the cereals now. Yes, butter, sugar. So they given here only 3. So you should write 3 is enough. So rice, wheat, sugar, these are all the food. Butter, these are all the food, we get energy. Then come to that, which food help us to grow? Which food help us to grow? Every day you are drinking. What is that? Milk. Milk help us to grow. And you are eating egg. Then meat, weekly once mommy will prepare now. Yes, these are all the food help us to grow. Then come to third, that is food help us to keeps us healthy. Food, which food that keeps us healthy? Which food? Every day you should eat fruits. So fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. I am telling you, isn't it, children? Yes, vegetables. You should add your meals vegetables. Yes. Then spinach. Spinach means that is also one plant. Which plant? Yes, palak. Palak soppu mamme heltaralva. So that is very healthy. So fruits, vegetables, this spinach, it keeps us healthy. So you have to write like this, okay? So which food gives us energy? Rice, wheat, sugar. You should learn the spelling also. Food, which food keeps us help us to grow? Milk, egg, meat. And which food keep us healthy? Fruits, vegetables and spinach. Okay, children? So this is about food we eat. We finished exercise also. In the next class, we will see the new lesson. Okay, thank you, children.